Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw returns reports from Shopify into AI customer response drafts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Orders section on the left-hand menu. Select Returns from the drop-down options. You will see a list of all the return requests. Choose the specific returns report you want to withdraw. Click on the report to open the details. In the top right corner, locate and click the Export button. Select your preferred file format, typically CSV or Excel. Download the file to your computer. Now, open your AI writing tool or software. Create a new document for your customer response drafts. Import the downloaded returns report into the AI tool. Ensure the data is correctly formatted for analysis. Set the parameters for the AI to generate responses. Focus on key elements such as customer name, order details, and return reason. Initiate the AI response generation process. Review the drafts produced by the AI for accuracy and tone. Make any necessary edits to personalize the responses. Once satisfied, save the responses for your customer follow-up. You have successfully withdrawn returns reports from Shopify and generated AI drafts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.